Attempting to print a print-in-place ball bearing. Yep, let's get started. So first I'm just going to offset this, and that'll allow me to kind of rotate it around an axis. Gonna make it a little thinner in some places and wider in others, just so it prints well. There we go. Should work. Now I'm going to go back to layout. Gonna add another cylinder. Going to increase the radius. Right, like there. Should be good. Now I'm going to take it back in. I'm going to double slice it. I'm going to do these both at once. I think that's a good tactic. Looks good. Alright, now I'm going to make an outer ring. Let's just do that probably by making a ring that's just a little bit bigger than this. And then just taking an imprint of it pretty much. Excuse me. There we go. And that's about it. Yeah, that looks good. Now the move will be to... Wait a second. This has to get a little taller. That. Add another one. This is going to go a little wider. Like that. Bevel it. This side. 0.2. There we go. Then I'm just going to take that part out. Modifier. This. There we go. The last step is going to be rotating, making loads of copies of this. So I'm just gonna do that. You guys don't have to watch that. It's gonna be boring. Okay, I got that finished. Got all those little bearings in there. the last thing I can think of to do is kind of make it a little bit tighter, so I'm gonna do that now, because those might come out. Yeah. Actually, maybe before I do that, I should just try this version out. So I'll do that, and then I'll come back if I have to. Yeah, I'll just put the ring in the center, and then we'll be good to go. Cylinder. Scale it down. Like that. Difference from this. There we go. All finished. Alright, I'm going to print this up and then show you how it turns out. Well, I printed it up, and it kind of works, but the issue is I didn't take off the support material, and that's the only reason it's staying together. Like, look. It's already kind of popping out. It's not going to work. So I'm going to have to increase the tolerances, and then it'll work. Yep. Now this one, it printed better, and it technically works. There's a few issues though. It literally doesn't spin, and I mean, the bearings themselves, like, they're all off at weird angles. So I have an idea of elongating them on both sides and just making a pin that keeps it from rotating all the way around. We'll see if that works. Alright, I'm going to go print that up. Alright, this is the third version, and it's looking way better than the other ones. With those pins and everything, it's looking good. So I'm going to rip this off, and yeah, just going to try this out. I'm going to take all this stuff off. It's hard to do this one handed. Just a second. Yep, there we go. Yeah, let's see. I mean, it's better. That inner support's kind of bad. I'm just gonna pause real quick, and I'm gonna take that off, and then keep recording as usual. Alright, I got all that support material off, and yeah, it actually spins pretty well. It's unmatched compared to, like, a normal bearing. It's not that good, but it works. So yeah, I'll be able to use it on this whole drivetrain project for, like, wheels or something, probably. Yeah, I'd say that's a success. Alright, see you later.